Where do you want to go? Why do you want to go to Target? But listen, they're closed. Can we go tomorrow? You really want to go to Target right now? You really want to go to Target? You do? Are you sure? What if they're closed? What are we going to do? What are we going to do? How can we get in? They won't let us. Why? Because the doors are locked. Can we go tomorrow? We have to go to Target right now. We have to go to Target right now. Right now? So should I get up and go? Or should I put my shoes on? You want to get in the car and go to Target right now? For what? To get a cash register? Oh, do you like Target? Is it your favorite? Oh, okay.